So hi family, today I'm showing you how I make this simple delicious beef sauce, and without further ado, let's get started. So for my ingredient, I'm using cow meat. I have fresh tomatoes, I have carrots, onion, ginger and garlic. I have all-purpose flour, white pepper, salt and seasoning stock cube, and I'm also using sunflower oil. So I'm starting by just steaming the tomatoes for about 1 minute just to help meat to peel the skin very easily. So as you can see, this is ready and this is going to peel very well. And I'm going to be peeling it before I'll roughly blend it. And here I have the meat. I just added a little bit of stock seasoning cube and I added some salt, the white pepper and then some sliced onion, and I'm going to steam this meat for about 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes now, and I'm just going to leave it for an extra 5 minutes because I want the meat to be very tender. And now it is done, so we'll go ahead to start preparing our sauce. You can also use tin tomatoes or tomato paste. So I went ahead to add my oil and then adding just about a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and this continue to stir until it is golden brown. Then I went ahead to adding my onions, and now I'm adding in the ginger and garlic and also a little bit of onion that I grinded together, and then I'm adding my fresh tomatoes. As I said, you can also use tomatoes puree or tomato paste, or you can just chop your tomatoes anyhow you want it. And then after that, I fry the sauce for about 15 minutes before adding in my beef. And you can see this is looking super yummy already. And I just leave it to cook for additional 5 minutes, and you can see this super well cooked. I went ahead to add in my carrots. You can also use any other ingredient of your choice for this recipe. So here I just added some yellow scotch bonnet and also basil leaf just to give that extra aroma to the sauce. And the sauce is ready to be served, super easy. And I went ahead to have mine with boiled rice. Oh my goodness, this was super amazing. I mean, this sauce is so easy to prepare and it tastes absolutely delicious. You can also serve this with some boiled yam, some boiled plantain, some boiled even goes well with Irish potato. You can also have this with mashed potato. It also goes well with it. So I hope you guys find this helpful. I will be leaving the ingredients in the description box. See you all next time.